Chotu TV.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Orange, yellow, pink, green, red, light green, blue,
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for aeroplane. B. E for basket. C. E for cake. D. E for doll. E. E for egg. F. F for frog. G. E for girl. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. E. E for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.
Chotu TV. Let's tap these letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for car.
C for car.
D for dog.
E for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fox.
F for fox.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hat.
H for hat.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for mouse.
M for mouse.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for pig.
P for pig.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for train.
T for train.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. Chotu TV.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for joker.
J for joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक, शेअर